I am just not feeling it today. I had a gyno appointment yesterday, and it was like my annual gyno checkup, and I'm just feeling so after. Everything looks good, but today I'm just struggling through the day. But I'm going to do my hair because she needs some protective styling of some sort. I've had it out for a week, and look at the fro. It's kind of cute. Not gonna lie, she cute. So I'm going to do my usual Marley twists. And the first thing I do is I set up a good show because I'm going to be here for a few hours. Turns out there's a new episode of Love is Blind. I always say I'm not going to watch it, but this season is so messy. Love is Blind, episode 12. It's the altar, girl. It's the altar. Woo, I'm ready. I'm ready, girl. I'm ready, girl. I'm ready. Now that we are booked and busy watching Love is Blind, it's time to do these twists, girl. So I've been doing this hairstyle for about a year, and I swear I've seen so much length retention. My hair is thriving. I don't enjoy the parting because I feel like I really suck at parting my hair. But what I don't suck at is I'm saving 300 American dollars by doing this hairstyle at home. You cannot tell me nothing. I do have an in-depth video on how I do this hairstyle, which I will link down below. But at this point, I am vibing. I'm watching my shows. My hair is feeling good. I do clip the base just to make sure I'm not pulling out my actual hair. And I am going to be here a while, but self-care, baby, is self-love. And remember how I said I was watching Love is Blind?
AD, I love you. I don't think it's responsible for me to say I do. I know, but I can't say yes right now.
I was shook. Clay fumbled the bag with AD. If you've watched the reunion, please meet me in the comment section because I want to discuss. 3 hours in, and we are finally almost done. I was able to perfectly size my braids, and I've got 2 left and 2 pieces left, and we're done. So let's finish this. We are on that last braid, baby, and the only feeling that I can think of that's better than doing the last braid when you've been standing for 3 hours is turning over your pillow to the cold side. Girl, braiding your own hair will have your arms killing you, but I was pushing through. I saw the light at the end of the tunnel. I was not going to give up now, and after some persevering and persistence, we made it, girl. We made it to the end, and the hair is done. I was so happy, but the happiness was short-lived because it's time to wax. Okay, before I call it a day, I am going to do waxing, and I'm just going to wax my pits. I use these Parissa wax strips, and I just love them because they come pre-individually packaged, and I don't have to get wax everywhere. I hated at-home waxing because the wax would get everywhere. It sticks on everything. It's just a mess. I do not have time for that. This is one of the strips, and basically what you do, well, this is 2 strips, I lied. Okay, you just rub it in between your hands and then you wax, and that's it. You throw it in the bin. Oh, I got some on my top. Okay, then you hold yourself taut. 1, 2, I can't do it. Oh, I didn't get it all. Okay. Whew. All right, we got there in the end. Whew, one side is done. I feel like this is as good as it's going to get for today. 1, 2. That's as good as it's going to get, and I just don't have the courage to go in with a tweezer and just tweeze. Oh, okay. I don't have the courage to go in with a tweezer and just tweeze the single hairs that are left. I just don't have it in me. I'm just going to do the soothing oil. Oh, this feels so good once you're done. The pits are now nicely waxed. I'm very happy with how they turned out. And that's me done. That was really painful. That was more painful than it usually is. Now I'm going to do my brows, and I am not genetically gifted with long, bushy, full eyebrows. My genetic pool gave me sparse eyebrows, and that's just what we're working with. It's okay, but I do like to shape my brows a little bit because I feel like when I'm doing my makeup, it's easier if the shape is more defined for me. So nothing too crazy. I'm just going to shape the ends, and I'm going to use this bag balm. It's like a skin moisturizer basically for really dry skin. I actually use it on my lips. I cannot find my Aquaphor balm, which is what I use, so we're just going to use this on my eyebrows. So I'm just going to apply some towards the end of my brows, and then we can shape. I'm wondering if to shave a little bit. I saw some chin hairs, just a little bit, so I might go for those as well. After getting those chin hairs, it was time for the eyebrow hairs. How is shaping your brows $15? New York City, y'all better come at me correct. This took me 5 minutes to do, and I saved $15. If I am not a business mogul, I don't know who is, because this is girl math at its finest, and it's now time to do my nails. It is an overcast day in New York. This is my favorite kind of days when I'm indoors. Can you hear the wind howling? I love it. I love it so much. The only thing that would make this more perfect is if it was raining and we had the raindrops, but it's okay. We'll take what we can get. It is a cozy vibe going, so we're going to put on some Gilmore Girls and get these nails in check.
What did you say to her? Rory's disdain of formals is totally her own. Why aren't you going?
Because I hate dances. I don't have a dress.
What is he then?
He's my gentleman caller. Hey.
Oh, hey.
Maybe you should get rid of some of that clutter in your living room.
I'm making her dress right now.
You're not using the curtains, are you?
I gotta go.
I think I'm good.
No, I'll be fine.
Does he drink?
Like a fish. This is me moving. It's a lamp with a bunch of monkeys on it.
Warm it up for you.
I can hear you cold.
You're welcome.
It's Lorelai's girl, Patty.
Dean,
What?
are you my boyfriend?
All right, now that we've watched Gilmore Girls, it's now time to finish this off by doing eyelash extensions. I use whatever lashes I have on hand. I was feeling these ones, so this is what I had, and it comes with a bond and seal glue. So I start with a bond and I apply that to my lashes, and I just stick on the clusters onto my eyes. This takes me 10 minutes to do, and it's so quick. The lashes last about 3 to 5 days, and I mess up all the time, but you just keep it moving, baby girl. Just like all things in life, you learn from your mistakes. And once the lashes are all on, you're going to go in with your seal, and this is what helps your lashes last long. Look at the difference, baby girl. So a full lash set, girl, it was between $130 to $160, and I was like, no ma'am. These ones cost me about $10, and I'm happy with them. So in total today, by doing all my treatments, I saved $615. Thank you very much. That I can now use to shop for clothes. Girl math. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know what beauty maintenance routines you do at home. I'm trying to see something. The way the economy is economying, we have to save that coin wherever we can, girl. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.